If you've been thinking about upgrading your phone, this might be the perfect moment. Google's entire Pixel 10 lineup has just received major discounts, with savings of up to $300 depending on the model and storage option. That includes the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL. The Pixel 10 series represents Google's most refined smartphones so far. They may not completely reinvent the smartphone experience, and if you already own a Pixel 9, you probably don't need to rush into this generation. But if you're using an older Pixel device, these discounts make the jump much more tempting. Right now, nearly every color and storage configuration is on sale at Amazon, and Best Buy is matching those prices. While these aren't the absolute lowest prices ever seen, they are still huge discounts on Google's latest flagship devices. Let's break down the current deals. The Pixel 10 Pro XL with 256GB of storage is now at $899, which is $319, also $300 off. If you want the massive 1TB model, it's down to $299, saving you $250. The Pixel 10 Pro is also seeing solid discounts. The 28GB version is now $749. The 256GB model, again $250 off. The 512GB variant $19, saving you $200. Finally, the standard Pixel 10 is now $599 for the 121 with $200 off. The 256GB version is $699, also discounted by $200. Now the big question, which one should you buy? If you love large phones and want the best of everything, the Pixel 10 Pro XL stands out as the top value at $80 or $99. It features a massive 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a 128Hz variable refresh rate. The screen can reach up to 300 nits of peak HDR brightness, making it extremely bright and easy to see outdoors. Camera performance is another highlight. The Pro XL includes a triple PMP main camera, 40MP telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, and a 40MP ultra-wide lens. On top of that, it packs a large 5200 mAh battery with 45W and 2050W wireless charging. If you prefer something more compact, the Pixel 10 Pro might be the better choice. It has a 6.3-inch display, making it easier to hold and fit in your pocket. Performance and camera features are nearly identical to the Pro XL, including the same triple camera system. The main differences are the smaller 4.87 mAh battery and slightly slower charging speeds with 30W wired charging and up to 50W wireless charging. For those who want to spend less but still get a premium experience, the standard Pixel 10 at $599 is a strong entry point. It reduces the RAM from 16GB to 12GB but still offers solid performance. The camera system includes a 48MP main sensor, a 10AMP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 13MP ultra-wide camera. Across the entire lineup, you get the same Google Tensor G5 chipset. This chip powers advanced AI features like Magic Q, Voice Translate, and Camera Coach. You also get 7 years of guaranteed operating system updates, which is a big deal for long-term support. The main differences between the three models come down to screen size, battery capacity, charging speeds, RAM, and camera hardware. In terms of software and overall performance, they are very similar. Keep in mind that these deals may not last forever. Retailers can change prices at any time, and stock may be limited. If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade from an older Pixel, these discounts make the Pixel 10 lineup much more attractive. The question now is simple. Do you go big with the Pro XL, balanced with the Pro, or budget-friendly with the standard Pixel 10?